Hey folks, this is Shane Kasch Drink, and if you know Reverend Shane Kasch, Reverend Ray Shane Kasch, we are right now, I'm in Portland, Oregon. We are having snow that's supposed to hit us. If you could tell, it's snowing really much right now. I cannot believe it myself. It is awesome having it snow like this. What's up? You can see on the porch. Let me get around the corner. We have snow. It's piling up there. You can tell. Wait till I get out in the street. You're gonna love this, guys. Look at that. All that snow just piling up everywhere. That was the wind blocking me. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at all that awesome snow on the ground. Just sticking everywhere. Blowing. Even look down the street where I live. It is blowing like you wouldn't believe right now. Sorry about that. It is awesome. Awesome winter storm of Portland, Oregon in February. Come on. It's supposed to not be like this. Look at the snow in the car, man, sticking, and look at that clouds and the wind you're hearing. That is something. I cannot believe it, how awesome this looks. This is the first snowfall that we ever had like this. Every February, we always get this in Portland, Oregon, and Washington State. I'm going down. I live on 127th in Mill Court. This is what it looks like. I'm driving down. Here's the rocky road. I'll show you something pretty cool. Look at that ice on that. I cannot believe that. That ice on there. Let's look down the dirt road. There's the dirt road. Look at that snow sticking on there. And of course, there's somebody dumped some hazard stuff on the road I gotta get taken care of. But this is what we got going on in Portland, Oregon right now. Pause this for a minute. Back inside. I'm back again, going through the porch area. Look at all that snow. And I'll tell you something, my fingers are frozen to death right now. They're cold. Can't believe this. Awesome. Look at that. I'll put it right at that dog pen over there. Look at this snow coming. This is freaking awesome, man. But weird storm we're having. See the trees moving and blowing and the wind. This is awesome, man. Winter storm in February in Oregon and Washington State. This is pretty awesome, man. Got snow in here blowing. You know, got a lot. Even the butt can. Look at the butt can. It's just full of snow and it's blowing everywhere. But I'm going to let you guys be and have fun watching this great video that I just did. And I'll have it on YouTube. Take it easy, guys. God bless you. Shane Kasch, Drink out. Hey guys, what's going on? This is Reverend Shane Kasch. Hey, I was just reporting, getting some opinions where I live at, and see what other people think. Here we go. Okay. Look over here, Brian. This is Brian Mackey. What do you think about this snowstorm that we're getting in February? Oh yeah? Oh cool, that's a good way of saying it. John, what do you think about this early snowstorm in February? You love it, man. That's a good way of saying it. Then you want to join? Alright. Well, guys, I'm going to pause this and we're going to be outside getting it. Good. Hey, guys. We're back. Hey, look at this. You ain't going to believe this. Look at all this snow. Look down there. Look at the bikes. Can't believe that. It's just freaking almost buried, man. Let me see if I can get down here. Really easy, not losing everything. We're going to go right out here, outside. It's going to be a little bit snowing out here, but look at this porch. You ain't going to believe that. That's something. Let's see if I can try to get it. Oh, there we go. Got it. Alrighty, look at that. Something. Look at this. Can't believe this. There's the gate. Look how much that snow's piled up against the door there. Okay. We're going to come to a stop. And we're going to knock that out of the way. That's my tires. Wow. We ain't going far out there because the snow is really deep out here. Look down there. Wow. And we'll turn a little bit. Wow. Look at that. Just nasty as hell. Okay, let's see if I can do it. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna pause this.